This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get high jump kick on Cinderace. This powerful move is an egg move, meaning Cinderace learns it through breeding. You'll need a male Pokémon that already knows high jump kick. This male parent will then pass the move down to a baby Scorbunny, which will eventually evolve into Cinderace. It's a straightforward process once you have the right parents. To find a suitable male parent, consider Pokémon such as Hitmonlee, Lopunny, or even Blaziken. These Pokémon can learn high jump kick and are often good candidates. It's crucial that your chosen male parent belongs to the field and human-like egg groups, which are the same as Cinderace's evolutionary line. This compatibility is essential for successful breeding and move inheritance. Once you have your male parent with high jump kick and a female Cinderace, or its pre-evolution, place them together in the Pokémon nursery. The female Pokémon determines the species of the offspring, so you'll get a Scorbunny egg. After a short time, an egg will be produced. Hatch this egg, and your new Scorbunny will be born knowing the powerful high jump kick, ready to evolve. After your Scorbunny hatches with high jump kick, simply level it up to evolve it. Scorbunny evolves into Raboot, and then Raboot evolves into Cinderace. Your Cinderace will keep high jump kick throughout these evolutions. This move is a fantastic addition to Cinderace's moveset, offering strong fighting-type damage and excellent coverage against many opponents. Enjoy your powerful Cinderace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.